Hi guys, in this video I'm just gonna unwrap the Meguiar's wash mitt. So this is lamb's wool, soft, gentle, and supposed to be non-scratch. So let's have a look at the back here. It's got the directions for use on this package here, and you need to rinse your vehicle first with a strong spray of water to remove dirt and all the stuff that stick to the surface of the paint. And you just need to basically submerge this washing mitt into the lubricate solutions, and let's have a look. So we're just going to open up, and here is it's like a hand glove. You can put your hand in. So it's got the back here as well to remove the insert. It is probably not recommended to use on your paint, your car paint, because it is a little bit rough. They said that you can use it on paint to remove insect if you do it very gently. I prefer not to use it. Just this one here is wool. You can see it's very soft. You can have a look. I'm just going to zoom it right in so you can see. So that is the wool right there. You can see how soft it is. So let's have a look when we put it into the soap water, what it's like. Now for the soap, I also use the Meguiar Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner. So that's the one I'm going to use, and that's the bucket right there. So I'm just going to put my hand in and so we can just put into the bucket. So that's what it's like once it is in the bucket. So you can see it's very soft. I can feel it's very soft, slippery and soft. It's very nice. So let's take a look when we put it on the car. It's actually quite good. On the inside I don't feel very wet. On the outside it's got the soap. So here we can see we can apply the cleaning mitt on top of the car. So it's feel very smooth, and it's very easy to wash the car. This is around $20 Australian, $21, but it's definitely worth it when we are used to clean your new car paint. You can see it's definitely very smooth on the car. This helps reduce the scratches that you may make on the car by using a quality wash mitt instead of using some cloth or rags that you have around the house. I would highly suggest you use this one. So this is what it looks like. So take a close look. So there you go. So that is what you can expect with this wash mitt for your car. Now again, this back here is probably best if you use it on a glass surface like this one, instead of using this one on the paint. Not recommend on the paint. Thanks for watching this guy. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.